Understanding, fall into the group. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have come across, fall into the group. Understanding this phrase can unlock new levels of comprehension and expression in English. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to polish your linguistic skills, this video is for you. When we say someone or something falls into the group, we're talking about categorization. It's a way of saying that an individual or item fits within a specific category, collection, or classification. This phrase emphasizes the act of being included in a group based on certain characteristics, qualities, or criteria. To truly grasp the meaning, it helps to see fall into the group in action. Let's look at some examples. 1. Educational context. In our library, this book falls into the group of historical fiction. Here, the book is categorized based on its genre. 2. Social context. She falls into the group of people who prefer remote work. This describes a person's preference aligning them with a particular societal group. 3. Business context. These expenses fall into the group of non-deductible business costs. It categorizes certain expenses based on tax classification. Each example illustrates how individuals, objects, or concepts can be grouped based on shared attributes or preferences. While fall into the group is a useful phrase, it's important to use it in appropriate contexts. It works best when discussing classification, categorization, or inclusion in a specific set or type. Here are some tips for using this phrase correctly. Be clear on the criteria. Make sure the group's defining characteristics are clear. This helps avoid confusion about why something or someone is included. Context matters. This phrase is more formal and might be better suited for written or academic contexts, though it can be used in casual conversations with the right audience. Today, we've unpacked the phrase, fall into the group, exploring its meaning, usage, and providing examples to help you understand how to use it effectively in various contexts. Remember, mastering phrases like this one can significantly enhance your English communication skills. We hope this video has been insightful and adds value to your language learning journey. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to fall into the group of English language enthusiasts who love diving deep into the intricacies of the language. See you in the next video.